Hey guys, today I'm going to give you the recipe of the perfect Adana kebab at home. And first, we are starting with the minced meat. This meat is a lamb rib meat, and only once minced in the grinder. It's about 500 grams approximately. And the second one is a middle-sized onion and two middle-sized capia peppers and half tablespoon salt, half tablespoon paprika, and half tablespoon red pepper. Let's go. If you cannot find lamb rib, you should buy cubed lamb and add 10% tail fat to make it better. This is another way. Now we will dice the onion and the capia peppers and collect them together in a cup and mix them. Now we are dicing the capia peppers. Now we are starting to mix all the ingredients in the cup. We should mix all ingredients as much as possible. After mixing, mixture should have rest in the refrigerator approximately 30 minutes. Resting of the meat approximately half an hour. We are taking the mixture and placing it around the wooden stick, and if you can find iron stick shish, it will be surely better, but if you cannot, no problem. We are trying to give a better shape. It should be homogeneous and well shaped. After 23 minutes of cooking in 250 degrees Celsius, our Adana kebabs are done. Also, we prepared onion salad, parsley, sumac is a local spice specific to Turkey. You can change it to red pepper and red onion, and also our lavashes are done. We call this dürüm Adana kebab. Dürüm means rolling. We are rolling the Adana kebab by adding onion salad and tomato, and we are covering it with the lavash and rolling this lavash like this, and now we have dürüm Adana. Bon appétit.